Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use InVideo AI for beginners and create your first AI video step by step. First, open InVideo AI and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the platform, take a moment to look around the workspace and become familiar with the main options. Before creating your video, decide what you want to make. You can create YouTube videos, social media content, marketing videos, tutorials, explainers, and many other types of content. Now find the option to create a new AI video. You'll usually start by entering an idea or prompt that describes the video you want. Write your prompt as clearly as possible. Include the topic, target audience, video style, tone, and any important information you want the AI to include. For example, instead of entering only a general topic, describe what you want the video to explain and how you want it to look and sound. After entering your prompt, let InVideo AI generate the initial version. The AI can help create the script, scenes, visuals, voiceover, and other elements based on your instructions. Once the video is generated, watch the preview from beginning to end. Don't worry if the first version isn't perfect. You can customize different parts of the project afterward. Start by reviewing the script. Make sure the information is accurate, easy to understand, and suitable for your audience. Next, check the visuals used in each scene. If a visual doesn't match the narration, replace it with something more relevant. You can also customize the AI voice, background music, subtitles, text, and other elements to improve the video. If you want to change a specific part, edit that scene instead of starting the entire project again. This can save time and make the editing process much easier. After making your changes, preview the video again. Check the narration, visuals, timing, transitions, subtitles, and overall flow. Finally, when everything looks good, generate the final version and export or share your video.